Am I audible, Aditya? I can't hear you.
Okay. So can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. So I think, guys, yeah, I think I was not audible until now. But yeah, please let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. And let's get started with a brief introduction of ourselves with our
Am I
location.
audible, Aditya?
So let me know where are you
I
located.
can't hear you.
I've added my location in the chat box. Amit sir, where are you located?
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm located in Toronto right now. And
Uh,
what about you?
I'm in San Francisco Bay Area. I've added my location in the chat box. Uh, and guys, please make sure to like and repost this event so that we can reach to more and more people and include them in the project today. And we'll keep the project really fast and quick. We'll introduce you to one data science project depending on where you are in your journey right now with data science. Will This project will be a good starting point for you. So, guys, please let us know in the chat box if you can hear us loud and clear, and also please share your location. Okay, Gurmeet says from Toronto, Canada.
Hi Gurmeet, how are you? Okay.
Okay, I think we can, and also, guys, let us know what job roles are you looking for. So, whether you're targeting data analyst, data scientist, software engineer, let us know in the chat box. And based on that, we'll customize this session for you. Okay,
Okay.
Varun
Varun
from
Jan from Tracy.
Tracy. Varun, we are not too far, probably 2 hours. Devansh is from Pennsylvania, US. Okay. And as I said, guys, let us know what job roles are you looking for. Okay, Jonathan is looking for AI architect. Okay. Okay, what else? Sylvia is from Delaware. Data analyst roles. Okay.
I guess we had an open position for AI architect, right?
Yes. So, Jonathan, we are helping some of our employers in our network hire for a few roles, and solutions architect and data architect. These are the two roles that we are hiring for. We'll go through your LinkedIn profile, and and we'll let you know if your profile is a right fit. Okay, so we can get started now, guys. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining in today. Uh, I'm Aditya Sharma. With me, I have my teammate, Dr. Amit Lal, and during today's session, we are going to cover a data science project, as we mentioned. The objective is that if you are getting started in data science domain, if you are trying to strengthen your portfolio, right? We have built data science projects in a very structured format so that you can come attempt them, build your portfolio, and also give us feedback on the platform. So that would also be very helpful. And we also have a few roles in our network for which some of the employers are hiring. So we'll also be sharing those roles with you at the end of this entire this session, and we'll keep the session quite short so that we can make the best use of time. So first, we'll introduce the project to you guys really quick, how you can complete that, a little bit overview about High Counselor, about us, and then a few job roles that we are helping employers hiring. So that will be the structure. And yeah, so to get started, Amit sir, you want to get started with a brief introduction, and then I'll take it from there.
Yeah, sure. So hi everyone, this is Dr. Amit. I did my graduations into bachelor's in computer science, and then I did my MBA program into marketing and human resources. I did my PhD into data science, data analytics, and after that, I've worked in different industry. I was part of universities, and then last 4 years, I've been part of High Counselor and helped more than 600 plus people. I work on resumes. I work on HR behavioral round with the candidate, and try to do my level best to help them out.
Awesome. Awesome. So, guys, I'll also share my screen to give a quick overview on my background, and then we'll get started with the project. So, let me share my screen. Give me 1 second.
Varun, if you're looking for tech roles or whatever roles you have written over here, we can definitely help you out in that because we do have open positions. You can apply to our next cohort. And Aditya will give you a little overview of that program also.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So, a quick overview on my background, guys. I did my engineering from India back in 2012, then came to US in 2015 for my master's degree at Duke, and then started my career with PwC in Chicago in their data science division, and then moved to Deloitte Consulting in 2016. Worked there for 3.5 years, again in their cloud and data science division. 2020, I decided to leave my job from Deloitte and start High Counselor. And our objective to start High Counselor was very simple. We wanted to help people prepare better for interviews and prepare and land a job faster. So our journey at High Counselor began with just 3 candidates in April 2020. We started with these 3 candidates, and until now, we have helped more than 600 plus people land a job in the US, mostly in software engineering, data science, and product management roles. And during this time, we also raised $2 million in funding from VCs in Silicon Valley. And we are based out of San Francisco Bay Area, Sunnyvale to be exact. The reason we started High Counselor because we found that there are 3 reasons because of which job seekers struggle. First one is people lack proper mentorship and guidance. They do not know how to search for a job. Second, people are not prepared for HR, behavioral, and technical interviews. And they think that landing an interview call is all they need, but cracking an interview is even tougher. And finally, most of the people rely just on job applications for to get the interview calls, but that is not the only way. Okay, so we created High Counselor, which is a 360-degree program. It covers everything that you need for a job search, whether you're looking for interview preparation. So we connect you with mentors one-on-one for technical, behavioral, and HR mock interviews. We provide you material for a very focused interview preparation. Then we work on your resume and LinkedIn so that you're best ready for job applications and the other ways to find a job. And then we help you with landing interview calls, right? So we have a team and our internal tool that find jobs and apply to jobs on your behalf. We strongly believe in email networking. So we have internally built a tool that identify people who are working in your target companies or where job openings are available, and it network automatically on your behalf. And finally, we have a network of employers who work with us every single day, more than 350 plus working professionals and recruiters and hiring managers. Whenever they have a relevant position, we directly refer our candidates to these hiring managers. So, just again to confirm that we are a career accelerator, we are not a staffing agency, we are not a consultancy. We only help people who are looking for jobs in these 3 domains. It is software engineering, data science, and product management. So, any role in software category, be it front end, back end, full stack, any role in data science, be it data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, data architect, AI/ML roles, we should be able to help you out. Um, the pricing of our program is $15,000. But we understand that if you're searching for a job, $15,000 is not an easy amount for anyone. So we have broken down that into 2 parts. So you pay $2,500 to get started. It is an enrollment fee, which again you can pay in monthly installments of $97 a month just to get started with us. And will help you with interview preparation, getting interview calls, and until you land a job offer. Once you start in your job, you work there for at least 1 month, then you pay the remaining 12,500 amount, and that too in monthly installments over a year. Okay, so it's easy for you to join, and then it's easy for you to pay the remaining amount in the remaining 1 year. Okay, and the first week of our program is a free trial, so you can join and try. If it doesn't work for you, you can always opt out. Okay. I would highly recommend you to go to our website, highcounselor.com, and check success stories over there. More than 600 people. Their success stories will also teach you what worked for them in their job search. So make sure to check that out. And the application process, we work in a cohort model. So our next cohort starting on this coming Monday. If you're interested, you'll need to apply to High Counselor program. We will review your application. We'll take your one-on-one interview as well for 15 minutes. And if you fit to our criteria, then only we will accept you in our program, because it's a huge investment on our end to intake a candidate and then help them with the job search. So we want to make sure that we are a right fit for you. Okay. So the application process is very simple. Go to highcounselor.com. There you'll find a button called apply to upcoming cohort. Fill out the application, and then we'll review your application. We'll connect you with a one-on-one call, and then we'll admit you. Okay. Uh, just to show you, simply go to our website, and this is the button apply to upcoming cohort. Click on start application, fill out this application, and we'll reach out to you for a one-on-one interview call, and then we'll let you know the admission decision. Okay, so that's a high-level overview about our program. If you have any question, feel free to put your questions in the chat box. We'll take them at the end. Now let's jump on to our today's project. Okay, so today we are going to do a data science project, and so for that, let me. I mean, you don't have to go there right now, but let me show you where you can find project and everything. So the project, to go to the project, you simply need to go to our website, highcounselor.com. At the top, you'll find a button called projects over here. Go to projects, and that will take you to our another website, which is project101.ai. Now here, simply create your free account and log in. And once you're logged in, you will be able to see all the projects that we have. Okay. Now, today we are going to do a project based on data science. So I'll go to recommended projects over here, and we are going to do a project on data scientist domain. So let's select the job title as data scientist. And here is the project, language prediction using machine learning. So this is the project that I've selected for today. We'll get started on this project. Now, let me tell you the uh, purpose, those who are here for the first time. Why did we create this platform with the real hands-on projects? And why did we invite people like Rajdeep from industry to help us create these projects? Because a lot of candidates, we noticed that when they went to interview, they did not have real hands-on experience, and that's where they failed in interviews. So we created these projects, and it helped a lot of people gain that real-time experience and the real knowledge. Okay. So again, to get started, simply go to highcounselor.com, go to projects at top, you land on project 101.ai, come to recommended projects, and under data scientist category, you'll find this project called language prediction using machine learning. You can also directly search this project by the name in the platform and go to this project. Okay. Now, once you get on this project, click on the start button to get started. Okay. By the way, any question do you have at this point? And then I'll jump into more details. Okay. Okay, cool. So I think there is no question at the moment. I will explain you the entire project, and then we'll get back to your questions again, okay, in case you have any questions. I'll share my screen again. Okay. So once you click on start button, you will be taken to a virtual lab in which you can work on this particular project end to end. So when you land on the screen on the left hand side, you'll be able to see all the tasks related to this particular project. And on the right hand side, you'll see the project overview as well as your Jupyter notebook where you can write the entire solution and complete the project. Okay. And your ranking will appear under this tab. So you'll be able to see, okay, what is your current rank? So right now there are 71 people working on this project. You'll be able to see your rank in this particular project. Okay. So this project of data science is related to language prediction using machine learning. Okay. So this is a real time scenario in which we are going to solve the challenge of automatically identifying a language by training a machine learning model. And we are going to follow these 12 steps. Okay. First, you are going to load the data into the platform. We have provided you the entire test data in a CSV format. You'll be able to find that data under over here. Okay. So first we are going to load the data, and then we are going to check the missing value, which is nothing but a data cleaning. Okay. We are going to analyze the language distribution. We'll understand the data, convert it to array, vectorize the entire text, split that data, and then we'll initialize the classifier, we'll train model, we'll evaluate the model, and then we'll test it, and we'll finally get the output of predicting a language. Okay. So basically, you will follow a real process that actually happen in the industry day in and day out. Okay. If you follow this process, you'll actually learn how a data science project is completed in big companies. And once you complete it in this platform, we will generate a certificate, provide that certificate to you, and you'll be also able to add all these details in your resume. So that and you can talk about these projects in your interviews as well. Okay. So this is a high level overview of the entire project. Let me add the project title in the chat box for everyone so that you can directly search project on our platform as well. And if you have any questions related to it, let me know. Okay. So I'm adding the project name in the chat box for everyone. And as I said, go to highcounselor.com and then go to projects in top bar, and then you can directly search this project in our platform. Okay. Any questions now, guys, that I can answer for you? Or anything related to our High Counselor program?
I don't see any questions.
Okay. So, guys, feel free to ask if you have any questions. Otherwise, our cohort is starting next week. If you're someone who's struggling to find a job, feel free to join our program. This even yesterday we came across a few companies, partnered with them and helping them to find the right talent, right? And there are jobs related to both entry level as well as this. There are a few positions that we have currently with our employers. I would like to showcase those positions to you. We are directly working with the recruiters and with the hiring team. If you fit to these positions, feel free to reach out to us and let us know, and we'll be happy to include you in the interview process. We'll certainly analyze your profile. We do not directly uh, share your profile with the hiring manager. We first analyze if you're a right fit or not. Okay. Okay, Rajshekhar says, is the project free for everyone? Yes, Rajshekhar, the project is free. This project is absolutely free. Okay. Now, let me share a few positions that we have. So the first one is a junior full stack developer, full stack engineer at a company, at a Series A funded company. It's a healthcare company. And the compensation is between 120 to $160,000. They're hiring in San Francisco, New York, London, and Munich. They're also offering H-1B sponsorship and also sponsoring visa. They're looking for up to 2 to 3 years of work experience and an immediate joining on site in San Francisco or New York. Okay, that's first position. Second one is of AI engineer with a company called ParaHelp. They're a startup in San Francisco backed by Y Combinator and many other top VCs. They're looking for 3 years of experience in data science as well as in AI. Okay, if you have built any project in AI, they have one strong criteria that you need to belong to the top school or you have dropped out to perform some work. Okay. Again, they have position that is based out in San Francisco, and you must be willing to relocate there. Another position that we are helping right now, not this one, but software engineer with Giga ML, and they are also looking for somebody with somebody who can be in San Francisco. The salary range is between 150 to $300,000, and they are looking for both entry level as well as little bit experienced people. And you need to have experience building machine learning projects. Okay, it's backed by Y Combinator, Gary Tan, and many other big investors like Nexus VP. So great opportunity if you like working at the startups. Compensation is great, opportunity is great. Okay. And another one that we are helping one of the companies is machine learning engineer at FIA. Uh, this company is again based out of New York, looking for someone on site. The salary is between 190 to $260,000, and they're looking for 3+ years of experience. They're sponsoring H1B, O1, and OPT as well. Okay, so these are some of the positions, guys, that we are helping today our employers in our network hire for. But there are many other positions that we work day in and day out with the employers, and definitely candidates who are in our program, we help them with those positions. So, yeah, if you fit to these positions, just reach out to me on LinkedIn. And if you want to join our program, you can simply go to highcounselor.com/apply. Okay. Anything else, Amit, sir, that you want to include?
No, I guess we are done. Guys, do apply to for all these positions. You can also apply to our cohort. We'll be starting next week, and wait for our decision on that.
Okay. So, if you don't have any other questions, guys, I look forward to seeing you working on the project and we'll take it from there. Okay. Okay. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you so much. And we look forward to
Thank you so
working
much,
with you.
guys. Thank you.